Hi, myself Yogalakshmi from Chennai. As I was so fascinated in pursuing clinical embryology, since this field is too competitive, I have been searching for a right platform to do that. Then I come to know about ASPIER, which has been providing master program in clinical embryology and preimplantation genetics. Fortunately, I have applied and got a seat. Aspire has trained me with various laboratory skills and they give direct hands on to know and to learn about the laboratory techniques. Alongside, Aspire has fed us with theoretical knowledge, which is more important to understand what exactly the embryology is. Coming to the lab point, they have provided skills, hands-on skills in both andrology and embryology, which is the most major part in ART techniques. Atop all, the director of the institute, Dr. Suresh Katera, is one of the best mentors I have ever learned from. The way he teaches things and shared his experience in the field of embryology has literally flourished us with good laboratory skills and technical knowledge. His experience in this field is humongous and he never misses a chance to feed us with. Aside all, Sir is so student friendly and he makes us actively participate in sports and game activities, and Aspire has a specific zone for games and activities. Addition to it, all staffs of Aspire are even more friendly and they fulfill the requirements soon whenever asked. To emerge as a good embryologist requires a great hands on skill. Rest assured, Aspire is a good place for that. Thank you.